Hi everybody, welcome back to Teaching Tumblers and More with me, Becca from Advancing Aiden. We're going to talk about Google Forms and how to use them for organization today. Open your Google Drive, click New, More, and then you're going to go over to Google Forms. You can use a template or blank. Today we're going to be using blanks. The first thing you're going to do is title it and give it a description. As I'm typing this all out, the next thing we're going to talk about is this email address with the red asterisk. You want to turn that off. It's super annoying if you don't. Now we're going to go ahead and add questions. I added all the questions that I personally use, like company. As I'm adding these company names, you're going to see that I'm going to actually show you how to remove one. You look on the far right and it says short answer. This is all of the different answer formats that you can use. It auto-populates, and that's pretty much all that I use. I'm using checkboxes for company names. As you can see, I'm listing them all out. I have POG, I have All American Glitter, one of my favorites, then there's Geisha Glimmer. I also added, I think, Glitter Heart Co., and I added Pink Crafts Panda. All of these you can come back and edit or delete at any time. I just removed Peachy Olive or POG from my system because I don't have any in my possession right now. So after I add them all in, don't forget to add other. Always click add other if you're typing or doing a multiple choice so that you can always add a new company if that's what you want to do. All the different names that you want, we're going to move on to adding the glitter name itself. The different options that I personally choose are my own personal choices. You can use whatever you want. Now I'm adding a reorder link, one of my favorites. Then I'm going to go ahead and add glitter size, which is it a fine, a chunky, anything like that. I use shapes, mixes, and UV color changing. I added these so that I'll be able to filter by them later. The next thing we're going to add is sample number, which is how I keep track of all the different glitter samples that I have. As I'm typing, you're going to see that it pops up, response validation has been added. I'm going to show you how to turn that off. Just click remove. The next question that we're going to head over to is going to be, what size did I purchase? I want to be able to filter based on if I bought it in a 1 ounce, a 2 ounce, or if I bought it with a shaker. Now, not everybody is going to want to keep track of that, but I do because I'm also going to add the price later on down the line. And I want to make sure that the price is reflected by the size. So when you're filtering by price, you're not shocked when you see a little bit higher price. You can automatically go look and see, oh, it has a shaker included. So we're going to go right on down into price. I'm just going to scroll down. I added the price above the sample number. I reordered it a little bit when I was filming because I wanted it to be exactly how I would answer the questions. I'm going to go ahead and leave the number validation on for price. The next thing we're going to do is generate an Excel file. All you have to do is click that little spreadsheet and click create new spreadsheet, and it'll be linked. Every time you fill this form out, you're going to be able to see that. Now we're going to share it. Click shorten URL, click copy. We're going to go ahead and paste it right in. Now we're going to be able to fill it out. I'm going to be using All American Glitter Sacramento as an example for you. And you can see I'm typing it out. I'm going to go find the reorder link for you. It's really just this simple. Type in All American Glitter. You can tell I go there all the time. And I'm going to go ahead and click in our search bar, and I'm going to type in Sacramento. Now, I know what the price is, but I also want to be able to put the link in for easy reordering access later. Go ahead and click on it. It's $6.25 for chunky for 2 ounces. By the way, you guys, I love Sacramento. I do have to kind of plug that for just a second. So you're going to go ahead and put it in the reorder link answer. It's a chunky, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then I ordered 2 ounces, not in shakers, and the price again was $6.25. I'm going to go ahead and leave the sample number blank, or I think I just put in 1, and then it is a new sample number. Then, as I'm going to show you here in a second, we're going to go ahead and head right over to Google, open the glitter tracking form responses, and you're going to see that it has been recorded. I'm just waiting for this to load because my thing is slow. All right, here we go. It's in Google Sheets. And as you can see, down here, it's glitter tracking form, and the timestamps there, the company, the glitter name, everything is all right here for you. In Google, you can filter based on company name. I'm just going to resize these here while you're watching so you can see just how nice this looks. Later, I'll show you how to filter by different items. You can filter by each individual thing if you wanted to filter by your chunky, by your company, by the size, or filter by price. So this is just how easy it is. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys next time.